What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mass Market. I hope y'all are doing great out here tonight. Thank you very much for tuning in. We got quite a bit to talk about tonight. We got a lot happening. We got the crypto space bouncing back. It's looking better. We got Bitcoin at 42,615. Market's looking better. It really is. But we do have inflation data coming tomorrow, which is on point to be the highest in 40 years. They're anticipating 7.1%. So we'll see if it comes in a little bit higher, a little bit lower. Right on target. I think it's going to be close. So we have a lot happening between now and tomorrow, so we need to be paying very close attention. I do think a bad report tomorrow could lead to some potentially lower prices in the crypto space, so just have to pay attention, see what happens. But we'll bust out some TA real quick on Bitcoin. So let's get it popping, guys. What's up, Alex? I see you in here, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Let me know if you've been buying anything as of recent, man. We'll do some TA across the board. So we'll start with Bitcoin right here. So we absolutely blew past this level of resistance at 42,350 to hit a high of 43,134. So we can go ahead and mark that 43. I'd say 43 flat. Our next major level we need to hop over. And we tested it twice, back to back. So I do like it. We've got a third retest right here. So the more times you retest this, the weaker it gets. Maybe the fourth time, if we do bounce off support off this 200, we might actually end up getting a break. But just depending on CPI data tomorrow, we might see a little bit of a fall. So it's still 50-50 right here. We could go either way. So I'm going to be paying very close attention to what's happening in the markets for tomorrow, guys. I do think it's going to be a pretty volatile day. I think the Fed might come out. People might get a little nervous. We might see a little sell-off. And then if we have a decent Fed minutes, I do think it will settle out. So I'm still bullish. Still hoping for a good week, good bounce back. It was nice to see it back above 43. Let's check out Dogecoin right now. So right now, Bitcoin's trading between 42,350 and then 43,000, which is a lot better. So I do like to see it. What's up, Trent? How are you doing, man? Killer C, good to see you in the chat, man. Always a pleasure. If y'all could hit that like button for your boy, that's all I ask. Everything we do is 100% free for free. So we're back to the grind, guys. We're knocking stuff out. Everything's looking a lot better. FTM back to 265. Probably missed my dip opportunity, but we might get another chance tomorrow. You know, just saying, with the Fed and the CPI data being the highest in 40 years last month, you know, when it was pretty high, we saw a pretty good retracement. So we'll watch it. We'll see what happens. You know, we'll keep y'all guys up to date in Discord with what's happening. Pamp the stream. That's it, baby. Hopefully we continue to rise here, man. I mean, ever since we hit that low right here at 39.6, we've been in a pretty good uptrend. Probably due for a bounce here off that 200. Might dip a little bit below it, but we have that level of support right here. So I think we continue to trend upwards, and that's pretty much lining up to what I was saying past couple weeks. I thought mid-January to February we'd start to see some pumping action leading into anticipation for the great news coming in February, such as Doge X, you know, XRP potential getting released, and we also have Ethereum 2.0. So lots of great news. Might be by the hype sell news, so we'll keep it up to date for y'all. What up, bro? What's up, new foe? You have to type that redeem in front, Mr. Nufo. Always accumulate. Yeah, I mean, it's still accumulation period, man. You got Doge 15 cents, man. Potential to 100% next time we get a good pump back up to 25, 30 cents. So it's definitely in the works right there. XRP, how about XRP, guys? Really doing this thing today, making some pretty good moves. All the way at 77 cents, hit that level of resistance we had ever since we came from 70. So really, really nice bounce. That was a really nice swing trade. Even if you could have picked it up around 72, 73, you're still sitting up pretty good. That's the importance of buying the dips. And if you want, sell the rips. You know, we're getting rejected right here. If you're uncertain about what's going to happen tomorrow, you know, now might not be a bad time to take a little bit of profit off the board. Just to be honest with you, if we would see a pretty good retracement with some bad news from the Fed coming out tomorrow. So anytime Jerome Powell goes out to speak, you need to be paying attention and just kind of keep an eye on things. Even if you're at work, just kind of make a note of it. You know, usually he speaks around 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to have that on your radar, guys, and be paying attention tomorrow. And of course, I'll be pretty active in Discord for tomorrow as well. Barry usually, River Bear in our community, he usually posts the Fed whenever he goes live. So we'll try to get that out to y'all too as well. But we'll see what happens. What's up, Mr. Rick? How are you doing? Rick, how your swing trades been going, man? Let me know in the chat. But XRP is looking really, really healthy. I think that was a glitch. We usually see these big spike ups. That was a pretty decent drop all the way to 74. That was probably most likely a glitch. I don't think I saw that on Bitcoin. So just on XRP. Let's move over to Dogecoin, our favorite crypto over here. Really, really nice pump right here. All the way from 14 to 1669. Where we at? Really, really nice pump. So pump it, you know, it usually retraces. Nothing out the norm right here. We usually retrace 80% of these pumps we see as of late, but then we go on a little bit of uptrend. So let's get a different perspective right here. Give me a second. That was the last time when Tesla said, hey, we're coming out accepting Doge for merchandise, and then really bled off to hit a low of 16 before we pop back up to 19. So I don't know if we quite see the same thing right here. We did have a pretty massive pump that brought us above all these levels that we were trying to get back over really quick, but we retraced it, and we're trading pretty much on this level. So I think it's still either way. I think the market's kind of waiting on the Fed tomorrow to really make a decision about which way it's going to start moving. But I remain overall, I have bullish sentiment going forward. I mean, look at all these levels we're going to have to pop back over that we've been doing over the months of live streaming here that we're going to actually have to get back over. But you see how fast we move. We can absolutely just blow past them if we get the volume and the sentiment moving back into the crypto stock, whatever you're trading. I mean, look at this. This was straight up, blew past everything. But, of course, retraces 80% to levels almost right where it was before it pumped up. So that's definitely people taking profits. So, you know, I think it's pretty important right here whenever you do see massive, massive pumps, massive, massive price increases. Go ahead and take you some profits and then buy back in, you know, about 3/4 of the way down of that candlestick. I think you're pretty safe right there. I mean, even the Tesla news did it for us. So just be aware, guys. It's more about, you know, keep your long trade, but, you know, if you have some spare cash on the side, some spare fiat, just take some profits, man. Try you look at some swing trade, man. Look at the charts. You know, if you're picking up at 13 and selling it at 16, I mean, that's a good trade right there. Even if you're trading on exchanges that offer really, really low transaction fees, such as Kraken, you know, you can make some pretty good tennies even off a little pump like this. So I'm more along the lines of profit taking right now, but I do think we're going to start to continue this little uptrend that we've been seeing for the past couple of days, depending on the Fed minutes. So we'll keep an eye on it. 4-hour chart, trying to bounce back. This big candle right here and this little ascending level of support really brought us over these areas right here, which is trying to reverse. The bulls are trying to fight back right now. We're just not quite seeing it. I would feel comfortable once we get back above 17 cents. Then we'll get back between 17 and 19, that range from this top to this bottom right here. So that's what I'm kind of looking for here in the short term. What's up, Clown Baby? Hey, dude, how you doing, man? Is this some sort of crypto channel? It sure is, man. We've been MIA for some time, so I got a lot going on in the background, man. Give me 1 second. Let me pull this up. Let me get this pulled up. Show you guys what we're working on this weekend. All right, so if you didn't know, I started collabing with Watcher Guru on Twitter to host their spaces for them. This is what we got cracking for this weekend. We're pleased to announce our first ever AMA with Satama, Inu team, this Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to check that out. We got some pretty good hardball questions we're going to be asking, and I think it's going to be a great interview. So make sure to check that out, guys. Y'all heard about the whole Tesla website having in codes accepting Doge for the Model Y? Yeah, I've heard talks about it. We'll see, man. It's all speculative. People are really going hardcore trying to decode everything. So we'll see what happens with that. Almost 2K subs. Yeah, we're almost there, man. We'd probably hit it by now, but I haven't been streaming as much ever since Christmas and New Year's. Kind of took some time off, man, because the market was doing a little sideways action, and plus I needed it for my own mental health. I've been doing a lot of work. These Twitter spaces that we're hosting, man, it's adding up a lot more, load to everything I'm doing here. But nonetheless, we're back on the grind. We're back to it, guys. We're gonna keep it going 7 days a week over here. So, what's up, Ricky? How you doing, man? RW, what's happening? Good to see crypto in the green again. Hope you're doing well, Matt. Who dat? Not who dat. Not this year, man. Doubled my position last week. Been load BITF. Bitfarms, man, they bought a ton of Bitcoin, man, off this dip. So that's actually really good to see. Where's Bitfarms at? Just for instance, I haven't looked at it, man, in a while. That's not it. Oh, it is it. Okay. It was on the 4-hour chart. So, yeah, man, you're definitely working your way back up to that 497, kind of that $5 mark. We'll leave that flat. So, yeah, if you can continue this little trend, man, it hit that bottom at $3.99. Currently trading at $4.70. So, I like this zone right here as the buying zone if you're looking to pick some up, but it might continue to trend upwards, looking for that $5 rejection. I do think I think we'll break it and probably trade sideways along this level right here for maybe a couple days to a week, somewhere within that $5 range. So if you still hold that, man, best of luck to you. I don't know if you're playing call options or you just holding a stock outright, but I do see it heading back to that 5.30 range here shortly, depending on Fed tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Clown Baby says BITF mining at 2.1. That's right now. Yeah, definitely good news, man. Definitely good news. Hey, what's up, Crypto Life? Invest in you. What's happening, bro? Yeah, I would have to argue with you, man. Bitfarms is one of the top-notch Bitcoin mining companies out there, man. And it's up 9% today. So you did buy the dip, man. Congrats, dude. You're looking pretty good. Let's check out Ethereum. We haven't looked at Ethereum in quite some time. I never worry about Ethereum too much. It goes up, goes down, but I'm never too worried about it. For me, that's a really long-term investment. So hit that bottom at 29.30 down here. Been in a steady uptrend with the rest of crypto ever since. Popped above this 200 and really been respecting it. Really respecting the 50 and the 14 right here. So looking a lot better. Nice little bull flag forming on Ethereum right here. I do like it. Let's check the 4-hour chart for a potential. We're getting that 14 starting to hook, so we are starting to see some pumping. But we did the same thing right here before we fell off the cliff again. So just be careful, guys. I'm not fully convinced that the market's back fully. I like to see a pump back to, there's not much in the way. So I'd like to see us at least get back to 37, 38. and I'd feel pretty comfortable. I do think we quite possibly could see it, but we have quite a bit of ways to go too. So just keep that in mind. FTM. They'll be mining 4x that rate in a year. I have December $2.50 and $5 calls. I think that'll treat you well, man. For this December, right? Check POWR. Yeah, man, we can check it out. Power Brands. I'm not sure if that's the one. It might be this one. They got two. Let me know if this is one you're talking about, man. Powered Brands. This is POWRW. I assume that's what you're referring to at 53 cents. What's up, DS? Why would Ethereum grow more? It's already up like 100x, and now everyone knows crypto is sketch. What's up, Mr. DS, man? Look, man, Ethereum's a great long-term hold, dude. Don't get it twisted, man. I love my Ethereum. I will continue to hold this thing. You know, if you've been buying it as cheap as I was, you'd be super bullish on it. I mean, why sell right here? You know, I rode it back from 48. Like, I'm not in the least bit worried about it. For me, it's long-term. You know, I will start to see really, really nice returns. I'm thinking this next pump we're going to get. And, you know, I might take some profits across the board. And I told everybody that, you know, because I am expecting some bearish activity happening in between, you know, March and June. And I think the summer will be pretty decent for crypto. So as of right now, I'm just waiting for this next pump up, which I do think Bitcoin is going to start to retest some all-time highs, which would potentially line up, you know, between February and March timeframe. And then we'll talk. We'll see where it goes from there. EH is established per second, and X hash per second. That's what they mean when people say hash rate. Yeah, I got a bunch of buddies into mining, so yeah, I need to look into it. Like, I really want to get a rig going and stuff. The 50 to 60 cent chart, Ethereum forever. But aside from loving it, is there any economic reason for it? Economic reason for, like, me holding Ethereum? Absolutely, man. It's probably one of the most utilized coins in the crypto market. I mean, it's just the use case for it is just look at the NFT market. You know, everybody's trading off of Ethereum. Yeah, the gas fees suck. They need to fix it. And I think the upgrade to 2.0 happening in February is definitely going to fix it. But, dude, you know, you're going to be seeing much higher Ethereum in the future, man. You know, I've been picking it up different price ranges, but I'm very happy with what I'm holding. You know, I'm not even worried about this dip. That's how long ago we bought. So, like, you know, you were picking it up. We picked it up at 1800. So, I mean, I'm still sitting up quite well, man. But that's the importance of long-term investing, man. Really, really important. Diaz, man, let me know what cryptos you hold. Do you hold any cryptos? Do you hold any stocks? Ethereum is the backbone of crypto. Just wait for the Ethereum bridge. Gonna soar. Yeah, I can't wait for Doge Ethereum bridge. I think that's gonna be a good thing. Really do. All right, so POWR, man, let's check it out. So it is taking a bit of a hit. We're on the 4-hour chart. You are trending downwards, man. Me personally, I wouldn't look to hop in just yet. I don't like to play these 50 cent stock. I think you have to buy 100 of these per transaction. So for me, 40 cents did drop down to 40. It doesn't, nothing about this chart is really screaming anything too bullish for me, but I'll do some background investigating into it. I'll look up, see what kind of news they got. But you know what I'm seeing right here, 187 to 40 cents, something definitely happened. So you know, you broke all levels of support and you're just kind of coming down. You did pop back up, but now you're getting rejected off this bottom right here, and you're trading well underneath that 200. So nothing really screaming at me just yet. I would, me personally, I would probably stick away from it, man. Just to be honest with you. If you know some information in the chat, please let me know. The best YouTube channel. Hey, thank you, Crypto Life. Appreciate it, man. No, Seth, but I do have, they have classes on how to change your car battery. You can check that out in the description below, my dude. Thank you for tuning in. So let's get back. That's my boy. Don't worry, I'm just messing with him. Let's check out some Matic, because I'm looking to hop back in some Matic. And look at this dude, 7-month redeem. 7 months, let's go. It's been a long time, man. I think you were here even longer than that. So, yeah, it's been a fun ride, man. Bear, thank you for holding down Discord all the time, too, man. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to the Fed Minutes tomorrow, man. I'm going to be pretty active in Discord. We got a lot of stuff happening tomorrow. So, either we're going to continue trending upwards, or we're going to take a bit of a smack across the whole market. So, short S&P puts. I got you, man. So, you're feeling a little bit bearish. Don't blame me, man. Really don't. You know, the market will probably take a pretty good hit between March and June. So I am bearish for that time frame, and I'm looking to take profits sometime before March. So, of course, I'll let everybody know, man. But if you don't mind, man, put your price targets. What's your strike prices, man? So as of right now, Matic looking pretty good. Hopping back above the 200 off the 4-hour. That is bullish. I feel pretty good. I might have to hop back in some Matic. If we can clear cut, make it past the Fed tomorrow in the minutes, are pretty decent, and you know they're expecting 7.1, man. That is a really high inflation rate. So if that does continue to trend upwards, I mean, dude, it's gonna get pretty nasty here. So just pay attention tomorrow. Make sure you're watching the markets. Let me see. Definitely, bro. CPI at 7. Oh, so they're doing it at 7:30. So, yeah, we're going to find out super early what's going on, man. Super freaking early. You know, we might see a little dip tonight, you know, just leading up to that, man. So I'll be paying attention, but we might see a little bit of dippage before then. We'll have to see. So if interest rates go higher, that's probably going to draw money out of growth. I'm not bearish. I'm selling those puts. Well, Mr. Diaz, look, man, if you got puts, you're basically betting it's going to go down. So that's bearish sentiment, my man. But yeah, Bear, dude, they're talking 7.1 coming in highest in 40 years, man. That's the expectation. Way higher than the 4 to 5% we're usually used to seeing. So we'll have to see. I'm always selling the 20 Delta puts and keeping the 20 to 40. I have no sense of price targets most of the time. I don't care what the price is because it's efficient and liquid. Yeah, man. That sounds like a little bearish, man. I'm not saying you're bear. I'm just saying it just sounds a little bearish. I scale my short puts with regards to the VIX. Also, man, I know a few people that do that, and the people that do that, they're sold on what they're doing, man. And I like what you know. It's decent trading strategy, man. If you're relying heavily off the VIX, you know, volatility goes up. You got your puts, man. Dude, I mean, you make some tendies, man. So, best of luck to you, man. I said I'm short puts. Okay, I got you, man. I thought you said you never mind. I thought you were saying you have puts on the S&P. So if it's below expectations, market's going to rock it. We'll see the market tomorrow going to make or break people. Yeah, tomorrow's a very important day, man. Really, really important day. Yeah, man, I misread what you were saying earlier. I thought you had puts on the SPY, and you were basically going off the VIX to purchase your puts. So I misread it, man. I got, you know, different comments I'm reading. So sometimes I get a little mixed up, man. No biggie, though. Harmony. Crypto Life, man, you still holding some Harmony? Harmony 1. Let's see where we're at, man. It's up 9% today, man. Doing a lot better. Chart looks good short term out the 1 day. We are seeing a little bit of a spike. You know, it does tend to go up, come down, go up, come down. Within a range of 32 and 29, and you're approaching that 32. So tomorrow you might get 32 out of it. We'll see. If not, you'll probably dip back toward 29, 28. So it might not be bad to take some profits. That's the name of the game. Never buy puts on the S&P unless you like donating to billionaires. Yeah, you know, you can catch it sometimes, but yeah, I wouldn't bet against it, man. Monero, no, I don't have any, man. The privacy token, I don't, man. I think it'll be around for a long time. Just I don't personally have any. I own a lot of cryptos that you see on the screen right here, man. I don't pump them, but I do think these hold pretty decent value, man, long term. Alex redeeming that 5-month membership. Yeah, buddy, let's go Doge. Hey, thank you very much, Mr. Alex, man, for being a 5-month supporter, dude. I really appreciate it. Let's go, Alex. We're gonna pump some Doge, baby. 1533. We're gonna get it popping. What's up, S Hall? How you doing, man? I grabbed 2,000 coins of DAP Radar and 500 coins of HBAR and 10 coins of NEAR recently. I saw you pumping that NEAR in the Discord, man. Let's see what it did, man. I can pull it up here on TradingView. Give me a second. Let me get that old TradingView cranked up. Get the engine rolling right here. See what we're looking at. NEAR protocol. Look at it on Tether right here. Yeah, hey Diaz, man, we got a free Discord, man. If you want, I can drop it for you. If you want to hop in there. 100% free for free. All right, let's check out NEAR. Sorry about the screen, guys, but why isn't it giving me? That's the 4-hour chart. That's why. Let's check out the 30-minute chart right here. What's going on right here? Yeah, I don't like that. Let me see this on over here. So NEAR protocol, yeah, I can look at the charts a lot further back right here. 3 months. I mean, you could have bought it at $7 back in July. And it's been on a steady uptrend, man. Holding up really well against the market, dude. I mean, you're pumping us some brand new all-time highs right here. What it looking like? Check the all-time. Yeah, man. It is doing its thing. So look, Bear. When did you pick some up, man? Let me know. I was kind of sort of pumping it. No, it's all good, man. I was watching it. XLM. Yeah, man, you can get XLM off your Coinbase debit card, prepaid. I do like Stellar. Man, it's just super cheap. 4-hour. What we got? I was trying to get a golden cross going on. Didn't quite happen. We crossed it, but then we fell back down. So get another little pump. We'll see what happens. Let's go back and zoom back out here. 44 cents, 43. You know, was at 79 back in May. Sell in May and walk away. That was when everything dipped. So it dipped all the way down to 27 cents. I mean, we're sitting at this level right here, you know, 26, 27 cents. So pretty much bottom, guys. And while I was telling y'all I think we're close to bottom, I would not be selling right here. You know, I do think we're going to get a pretty nice little pump. I do think it's going to go up. It's been trading sideways with a bit of downtrend for quite some time. Pop back up to 44, right back to 23. So I think you could ride this thing back to the 44 range, 40-cent range here in the short term. Might be a really good swing trade, almost 100% if you can ride that thing back up. So definitely looking at that too, man. Let's see what we got. Went over Matic. Let's check out Ethereum Classic. because that thing has been really getting beat up. ETC, USD, bop. Really broke support, not even trying to bounce back. So I'm kind of hanging tight. For the longest time, it traded between 55 and 65, and then would have pops up to 70. And then, of course, we had that ultimate run up to 172 right here. Who's super chatting me? Bulldog Trading. Thank you very much for that $5 hype super chat, my man. Appreciate it, my dude. Thank you very much. What's up, Kappa Jones? How you doing, man? Get you some cold wallet, memorize your phrase, and have that amount of money on you in a situation. XMR. Yeah, I'm about it. Cold storage wallet, definitely the way to go. Just don't lose that passphrase, man. I highly recommend dumping Streamlabs and using OBS as better software. And also, Streamlabs basically stole their project to monetize it. They even stole the OBS name. Yeah, we'll see, man. I'm pretty used to this setup. So as of recent, yeah, you know, I've been using this, but I used to use just Zoom. So like that was terrible. Zoom's good for just calling and stuff, but not for hosting spaces. But I'll check it out, man. Minus 6 degrees right now in Maine, 5 degrees tomorrow. So it'll be a heat wave. Could use a fishing trip to Louisiana right about now. Yes, that is extremely cold, my man. You can have it. You can keep it up there. Don't bring it down here with you. But, you know, I get cold 40 degrees, man. That's just how it is down here. Ethereum Classic, RIP. Look, man, I like Ethereum Classic. This is the original version of Ethereum, you know, and then they had the hack. And then they forked and came out with the version. They got the money back, forked it, and then came out with the version of Ethereum that we're having now. So, I do like Ethereum Classic, man. It's just damn, yeah, $27, man, is not even trying to bounce back right now. So, you know, you might be looking at a scenario where Ethereum Classic, you know, might keep dipping, man. I'm not seeing any bouncing yet. Let's go. We are at the 4 hour. Let's go to you know, we could potentially be heading back to that. There's not much in the way. $20, man. Yeah, I would like to pick it up somewhere around 20, but we'll see. Really nice pump. That was the 17 pump. So 1, 2, and then really hard sell off, and then that third pump, you know, in February. Could be looking at a similar time frame, but didn't quite make new all-time highs. Let's check out Bitcoin like that. Let's see what we're looking at. So that was that pump in 17 when we went to 20K all the way back to 3. And then we traded sideways forever. I mean, look at this. All the way to 2019 before we saw any type of price action pop up. Let me get back here. Yeah, we're trending a little bit differently right here. So you had a high right here, 17, then you hit 19. And you came back to 17. So I'm still feeling like we get one more last pump, guys. That's not going to change. I still feel like we're going to get one more really good run up. When in doubt, zoom out. I mean, we're still, you know, respecting. Let's go ahead and pop this. I mean, we're still respecting ascending level of support here off the daily. So until we break that, that's when I'd get really bearish. And even if you would break to the downside, you still have pretty good support within this range, 30 to 37,000. I'd even have to argue 39. We held 39 pretty strong. I think that's where institutions are picking it up right now. Ever been to Gulf Shores? I think I left the ice chest. You crazy, man. Do you think CoffeeZilla, he's a YouTuber that covers a lot of finance? No, I don't, man. Never heard of him. Engrave the past. Hey, that's a good idea. Put it in a fire safe box, man. Dude, I love Ethereum Classic too. And like I said, man, I wrote it on that day. It ran from 20 to 170. I think it went a little bit higher. I don't think Webull charts are showing it true where it ended up at. I think it was 198. Well, look at that ascending level off the 1 minute. Let me delete that right now. So I do like it, man. It's just super, super cheap right here. Ethereum will recover for sure. Absolutely, man. I'm not worried about Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin, those are my top, top two cryptos right there, man. This last year had so many rug pulls. It was like unlimited content to talk about. Yeah, I mean, if you think about it, there's probably a rug pull every day. Just about. Save the kids coin. These beats vibing. Yeah, man. We're just chilling over here. The market is looking better, man. It really is. Like I said, we got Uncle Powell, however you say his name. He's going to be speaking tomorrow, so we need to pay very, very close attention. Like I said, it could go either way. 7.1%, that's the highest in 40 years. That's not anything to blink at. Like, that is some serious inflation report. So hopefully we come in a little bit lower. The Fed's all optimistic. He leaves us on a good note, and comes back next month, and we'll see. But as of tomorrow, we might see some more dippage. We'll just have to watch everything. See if we can hold this 42,350 level, and I'll be happy. What's up, Stevie? How you doing, man? Gala, we got a Gala fam in the house. Gala gonna go back down? Well, what goes up comes down, man. Let's check out Gala. Another gaming token, up 11%. Let me take a little look right here. Let me take a little peek over the past month, 3 months. I think you're heading back toward 38 cents, maybe 30. Man, there's not much holding you up right here, but you bounced at 30. Now you're at 34. 10% today. Depending on what happens tomorrow, man, it could potentially head back down with the rest of the crypto space. So I would watch it, man. Are you swing trade long-term holder? Let me know, man. Papa Powell. Hey, say that 10 times fast. You'll get tongue-tied too, man. When's Ethereum 2.0 dropping? Any word? I'm staking a little over 1 ETH. I'd like to have it back. Some point in mid-February, Bear. Some point in mid-February, man. Now, hey, Bear, I got to gather sentiment from you. Once you get that ETH, what are you going to do with it? Depending on price, like say it's trading around 35, 4,000. What are you going to do with it? Are you going to sell it? What's up, Psycho Pro? How you doing, man? Good to see you, man. Holding strong. Yeah, we got Cardano all the way back to 121. We were sitting at 107. So definitely nice to see that back within that range. XRP coming back 77. For the longest time, we couldn't get over 75. So that was a big breaking point that we actually broke through. Algo 144, possibly working its way back to 160. I think you can get a pretty solid swing trade right here out of Algo. Of course, not financial advice, but I do think you can get a pretty good, decent return right here off of that. Dot 25. I think Dot's going to be a pretty good mover for this year. We'll see what happens with the crypto space. I'm thinking pump till March, and then we will potentially see some pullback until summer. I think summer will be pretty decent. We'll have to, a lot can happen between now and then, so we won't make any price predictions. But I'm still expecting a pretty nice little pump here before the Fed raises rates. Everything goes to crap. Trying to do my first swing trade on Gala. Hey, man, welcome to the crypto space, man. Trying to do your first swing trade. What's up, KC? How you doing, man? So you don't have a position in Gala, is what you're telling me. That's why you want to know if it's going to go down. I got you now. Potentially, man, I would kind of, me personally, if I was looking for an entry point, Bitcoin's starting to pump right here, though. 42.7. I mean, short term, really short term, I think you can ride this thing back to 43 right here. I think you're pretty much heading there now. 42, what we got right here? 42.728. You break that, I think you'll potentially work your way back up to 43. Maybe even tonight. So I don't know if you're kind of seeing some pumpage before the Fed comes out. I don't know. It's always possible. You know, people try to, run up the market, take some tendies, sell off, short it to bad news from the Fed, and make money on the way up and on the way down. So I do a small one. Well, Steve E, man, you can start by hitting that subscribe button for your boy. We got the link to 100% free Discord that our boy River Bear just posted in the chat. We greatly appreciate if you join it, man. Gala right now, kind of what I'm seeing, man. I'd rather pick it up at 30, but it is pumping past a pretty good top right here, which you did hit. 34 was the previous top. You're above that, but I do think you'll see some type of retracement here in the short term. But long term, you're heading 35. The question is, why do you want to buy Gala? I'm not against Gala. I'm just wondering what was pulling you towards doing a swing trade off Gala. I staked it around 2100. I wouldn't mind taking profits and getting a full exhaust system on the IROC. Hell yeah, brother. All right, here we go. 47,747. We're starting to get some action here off of Bitcoin. Potential that could bring us back up to 43,000 here even tonight. So looking a lot better, guys. Looking a lot better. It's starting to get some volume stepping in late at night. 10 o'clock on a Tuesday. When's the Fed supposed to announce? 7:30 in the morning. Yeah, I feel you, Bear. I feel you, man. But I think a lot of people are going to probably look to take some profits off of Ethereum before the 2.0 drops. That's just my thoughts. But, it could do the complete opposite. We live in a really weird time where anything can happen. So I'm doing great, Pearl. Really great to see you, man. Yeah, definitely keep me in the loop, man. Because, I'm debating selling some Ethereum before 2.0 releases just because everybody that was staking their Ethereum, it gets released. I do think that might put some selling pressure on the market. But then, again, if everybody would hold and, they fix the gas fees, everything's great. I think it could potentially head a lot higher before it would start to take a dip at that point. So 50-50 gamble right there. I sold over 150 dot coins for some Harmony coins on this dip. Looks strong. Hey, man, Harmony pumped pretty good today. I think, 9%? So good deal, man. Hopefully you bought the dip. Dip looked tasty. Any other suggestions? Right now I'm eyeing Matic and FTM again. FTM's already back to 272, and man, I'm really beating myself. I sold at 289, so I'm still in the green off of that. But like I said, tomorrow's gonna be a real tall tale sign to see what happens in the market. Litecoin 131, that's super cheap. Doge hasn't been moving. I'm not looking to swing trade any Doge right now. Mainly Matic. I think Matic could potentially have a pump back to 260. Also, don't sleep on Algo. That thing rose even since we've been on the stream. So I'm thinking Algo, you can ride back to 160 pretty easily, man. If you're looking for a pretty easy swing trade, like I said, just remember, dude, we got the Fed talking tomorrow, so that could potentially lead to some pretty red in the market. But where are we at? Steve E. Thank you very much for hitting that subscribe button for us, man. Really appreciate it. Welcome to the family, dude. What's up, Ben Collins? Yeah, I heard 100K Bitcoin too, man. End of 2021, that didn't happen. But that'd be cool, man. But that would be a pretty massive pump. I don't know if we're gonna quite get that out this cycle, man. Unless we have a continuation, you know. Small position in Algo. What price did you pick it up at, man? Check out the Miami coin bleeding like hell. The only thing that you can do is stake it and recover the losses from the price. How isn't? I'm not gonna argue with you, dude. I'm not gonna argue with you, Diaz. Maybe the city took profits. I don't know, man. I don't know. I've been monitoring it though because I thought you were gonna start to see a lot more city coins pop out. But I'll keep watching it. Polygon and FTM are my top movers at the moment. Yeah, don't sleep on Poly, man. Look, 7% today. That's crazy, man. So we are seeing some pumpage. I don't know if the whales are stepping in right here, possibly anticipating a sell-off tomorrow with the Fed. So remember, market cap 2 trillion. They can easily move the crypto space around. Yeah, I mean, you know, they're probably taking profits, going to use it to fund a bunch of stuff for the city. I mean, personally, I thought that was the purpose of the coin, was to raise money for the city. So if they did take profits, you think they would do it in a smart way to where it really wouldn't affect the price so violent, but apparently not. Oh, don't trust nobody in Miami. Trust me, I live here. I'll take your word for it, man. Multiple positions in Meta coins. What do you think about Meta? I'm thinking it's gonna get zucked. Are you talking about which Meta? They got a few of them, man. Okay, I see which one you're talking. The actual Meta. Yeah, I didn't know if you're referring to Metaverse or what. Because there's lots of Meta cryptos out there. Let's see where we're at. Trying to see if I can pull up a chart on it real quick. No, it just keeps bringing me to this website with this Asian dude on it. Near Protocol crushing the market today. FTM too. Damn it, I should have picked me up some FTM. I knew it too. Alchemy Pay is the most has the most views today off of Coinbase. Hey, free crypto. So if you got Coinbase, go get you $10. New listing, decentralized social. Phantom top gainer, man. God damn, decentralized social price dropped 56% today. Wow. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, that went way over my head while I'm streaming, man. They made like 20 mil. Just Pum, what's happening, my dude? Good to see you, man. Sand and Mana. Yeah, I'm still big on Sand and Mana. I'm telling you, man, I've been on the Oculus. So if anybody got the Oculus, y'all hit me up. Jonathan K says they got to pay the Miami mayor, and BTC maybe took profits. Yeah, I think Mana and Sandboxy two best. Meta Hero too, man. I wouldn't sleep on that one either. Sand getting a pump right now. Radar is up 30%. I didn't see Radar. They didn't show that one. Jasmine. If my thing ever loads, what we got? It's back to 7 cents. So that's one of the things when it pumps up 7, you know, really tight margins right here off of Jasmine. Not really seeing that action, man, that we saw back when it was really rocking and rolling when we picked some up. Thanks to Mr. Slick Rick in the chat. I doubt it'll be good news. I've been tracking the price of let's see this. Yeah, I haven't been tracking that too much, Old Raven. Yeah, Mana's doing big things, man. I believe it was Mana that partnered with Samsung, right? Let me check. Yeah, it was Decentraland. So very cool. Yeah, man. I'm long-term bull on that, man. Change that. So guys, basically just be on the lookout for the Fed tomorrow. That's the main thing I want you to take away from this live stream tonight. It could get pretty volatile tomorrow, so just be on the lookout. If we continue on this uptrend, I do see 43,000 in the future. Maybe even tonight. You know, it's looking pretty good. You know, we did have some pullback from that last rejection, but all the way to 42.4. And now we're working our way back up. Possible for another retest. The 4-time could get the break. But just, you know, if you're trading stocks, trading crypto tomorrow morning, we're definitely have an answer. So you could wake up to some pretty ugliness in the market. So just be prepared. It could be a pretty rough night, guys. So let's see what happens. 7:30 a.m. We'll have CPI data, and we'll be dropping it. So let's see what happens, guys. But best of luck to everybody. If you're worried about it, set your stop losses to a reasonable level and just let it rock. You know, I think we'll be fine. We're gearing up for the highest inflation report in 40 years, 7.1%. So just be on the lookout for that. There's my Twitter handle, guys. If you follow me on Twitter, I'll make sure to hit you with a follow back. Make sure to check us out Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're interviewing the devs from Saitama, asking some pretty hardball questions about that crypto project. So I'm gonna try to get these guys to convince me why I should invest in Saitama. So if you want to catch a good show on Twitter, make sure to hit me with that follow. Aubrey, I don't know why you putting that in the chat. I mean, we're clearly here. Nobody's gonna click on that. So always look out for the Fed. Never lacking. You should escape and invest in RuneScape. Yeah. You invested in it, man? I never looked too much into it, man. To be honest with you. Stevie says all good. Hold. H-bar is looking good on the daily. I know you like some H-bar. Dude, I like it. I like that you like some H-bar, bro. I think H-bar will be around for a long time, man. It's kind of similar to ADA, you know, really similar in the usage. 33 cents is the high of the month. Yeah, I think it's back on a bit of an uptrend, man. The yearly, I mean, you're still respecting a ascending level of support, man. So I think a breakdown below, you know, where we at right here, 28. 22 cents, man. I think would be your low if you see a retracement, but it looks like it's trying to trend back upwards right here. So yeah, I think that's a great long-term hold, man. All right, Diaz, man. Good talking to you. So yeah, guys, just pay attention tomorrow. We'll post all the information as it's breaking. We'll see how this data actually, you know, we'll get real-time views to see what happens tomorrow for the highest inflation data report that we had in over 40 years and see what it does to the market. So be on the lookout. If you need us, man, hit me up in Discord. I'm gonna look to log off. I got a lot of stuff to go work on. So if y'all need me, man, make sure to hit me up. Thank you, guys. Love all y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Stevie, thank you for hitting that subscribe button, man. Join the Discord if you need anything. You can always catch me in there. So much love, guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully we're staring at much higher crypto prices and we see Bitcoin continue to trend upwards. So that being said, guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow and peace.